Welcome to the software journey with GKey. Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 21. What are bidirectional filters and when we have to avoid in relationships in Power BI?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what are bidirectional filters and when should you avoid in relationships. First, let us see what are bidirectional filters in relationships. Bidirectional filters, that is cross filter direction both, allows filters to flow in both directions, that is table 1 to table B, table B to table A, something like that. Coming to the key points, when you filter table A, table B is also filtered and vice versa. It is useful when both tables need filter each other. It is common in scenarios like two fact tables sharing a dimension or many-to-many relationships. Coming to the short answer, bidirectional filters allows both tables in relationship to filter each other instead of only one direction. Let us say this is a simple diagram with dim customer, dim product and fact internet shares. Here this one-to-many relationship, from here also it is one-to-many relationship. This is the direction of the filter. These things we will see practically in Power BI desktop as well. Coming to the next slide, here we can see when should you avoid using bidirection filters. Avoid bidirection filtering in cases when it creates ambiguity, that means loads to wrong totals and unexpected filtering is to happen. When it causes circular dependencies, this would be a separate class that will be dealing in the next coming classes. Power BI cannot resolve loops like A, B, C and again it came to A. Something this kind of loops Power BI cannot resolve. In these situations also we can avoid like bidirection filtering. When working with a star schema should be single direction filter. Direction dimensions to fact, something like that. When performance is impacted, bidirection filters increase calculation paths. It slows the reports. That means if it requires only, we have to go for the bidirection filtering in the modeling. Coming to this diagram, here this shows the relationship and this will indicate the direction of the relationship, that is customer to S underscore transactions table, and here 1 and star indicates this one to many relationship. In this way, the tables are like connected with each other with the different symbols, like these are a direction, one and many, these are the relationship types. And we'll see these things practically in Power BI. Now I am in Power BI. I have two tables, that is regions and sales. Region is having manager ID, region name, and sales is having region ID, sales amount and sales ID. Here coming to the model view, now currently I am having a single direction relationship. If you open this relationship, here the relationship from region to sales is many to one. That means here many regions will have single region direction. The IDs in the regions, these are like unique, and cross filter direction is single. First we will see the cross filter direction in a single and we will check for the bidirection by having a practical explanation. For example, here we are connected regions with the sales. The filter is flowing from regions to sales. Okay. Here what I am trying to do is I will be taking a slicer with region ID and I will take a slicer first. Slicer with region ID, this is the slicer. Based on the slicer we can filter, and I am taking the card here that is having sales amount. We will see the filtering. Here the filtering happens from regions to sales. Now if you click on region ID R01, it will filter R01 sales, and in the same way R02, R03, R04. In this way the filter is working fine from regions to sales direction. Now if you change this direction from sales to region, for that I'll make another connection. Here I'm going to take a slicer from a region ID and a card. That is on a region name, something like this. For example, if you click on a region ID, it is not changing. Why? Because here the filter is flowing in the direction regions to sales. Now we are taking sales to region direction. That means we are taking region ID from sales and we are trying to filter the region name. Now it is not happening. See, nothing has been changing here. In these type of scenarios, what we have to do is, in the modeling view, we have to go for the bi-directional. That means it will work from the both sides. Now you'll see, if I click on 0 or 2, it is changing to south, and 0 or 3 east, 0 or 4 west, 0 or 1 north. See, to work the filter to be work in both the direction from both the tables, regions to sales and sales to region, you have to make the direction, that is cross filter direction, to both. If you make at a single direction, only single way of filtering is going to happen. I think you got some idea about this bi-direction filtering. But coming to the bi-directional filtering, there are some limitations. If you are using a simple data and simple modeling, then you can go for this. That too, if you require the filtering from both sides only, you can go for this bi-direction filtering. Otherwise, you can avoid this one. Why? Because from both sides calculations and everything, it will take more time and it is a performance consuming thing. I think you got some idea about bi-direction filtering and Power BI. Thank you.
Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT profession with us.